In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to make a pivot table. For example, we have this data, then we'll select this data, click on Insert tab, then click on this pivot table. Okay? Here, if it is more data is there, then you can select new worksheet so that another worksheet will be open. Since the data is very less, you can select this existing worksheet, click on this and try to click here somewhere and click OK. So now what we will do, like month-wise we want to take. So what we do, this month will pull into rows. So automatically month will be added here. Now these transactions you can pull into values. Okay, so or directly just select it, automatically transactions will be added here. Okay, now transactions are added. Okay, but the transactions you want to take only count, right? Because automatically some will be taken, but you want to only count. Then by default, you can click value field. Here sum is selected, then change it to count. Here you can observe, see like 2 transactions happened in January and 2 transactions happened in February. Like that, it changed. Now let us try to select cost. Whenever you select, automatically it will be added here. Here sum is added by default, so that is fine. Okay. Now you can see 2 transactions in January, 2 transactions in February. Okay. Now it is like this. For example, now here I will change the value, this one 40 to 50 for example. Then automatically this table values won't change. The total was 100, right? Now I can increase. To reflect this new data, so just right click on this pivot table, click this refresh button. Now you can see this 100 is changed to 110. Okay. For example, some more new data we are adding here, one more record. But this value is not changing. If you try to refresh also, it won't change because the range we selected. For that, we have to click analyze, change data source, change. If you observe here this is selected only this much side. Either you increase this length, otherwise one best approach is you can just select complete column. So you can see that everything is selected, then click enter. Say OK. Now everything is added. This is the best approach, but here blank is showing. For that, so we can go and uncheck the blank, so that now everything is ready. So in future if you add any row also, automatically it is taken care. So this is the best approach. Now, okay, so if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.